A useful present for a child will engage them and stimulate their creative skills. One of the best presents is a slime kit. A slime kit is fun, teaches children, and is also useful in stimulating sensory play and motor skills in toddlers. These kits have different textures, colors, and DIY options, which means no child is getting bored anytime soon. The following are some leading options for top slime kit, available on Amazon, that are essential in understanding the factors to consider while choosing a slime kit. Key considerations when buying slime kit. Non-toxic and hypoallergenic ham. Double check that the slime kit doesn't have any toxic ham. Also, make sure to look for certifications that prove it is safe for toddlers. Target age group. Buy a slime kit that matches the required age group, so that it is safe to use and easy to handle. Variety of contents. Search for kits that have a variety of textures, colors, and add-ons like glitter slime kit, beads, and foam balls to make creative play even more fun. Squeebles. Look for good squeebles. They won't create a big mess during playtime. Slime and add-ons. Whenever slime and its add-ons are not in use, they should be placed in a compact, airtight container. Educational significance. Because kids are compelled to be imaginative, try new things, and indulge their senses, slime kits are more than just toys, they're also useful in a way. Longevity. Get tools and materials with stiff kits to ensure the kits can be used multiple times. Cost effectiveness. Make sure you analyze the features and contents in relation to the price so as to be sure you are making a wise investment. Thank you for watching this video and hope you found it useful. Subscribe to us for more parenting tips and discovering best products to buy for your child.